guys, good morning. So we just arrived here at the Four Seasons Bora Bora, and I thought I'm gonna be showing you the villa we're staying in. It is so stunning, you guys. It's literally breathtaking. I swear I've seen so many pictures of this place. I've seen so many videos, and it's nothing like to actually be here right now. The room is insane. Like, it's literally bigger than my apartment, I think. I'm not for sure, but I'm almost positive. But anyways, right now I'm going to flip the camera so that you guys can see what I'm looking at. So as you walk in the door, the first thing you see is this really beautiful living room. As you can see, you have all the Polynesian details, which is stunning, and I absolutely love this culture. And then as you can see right over here, you have the kitchenette, which is, again, you can make your own coffee, tea, and you have some complimentary things over there as well. And they actually were super cute, and they left us this, I think this is a champagne bottle if I'm not mistaken. We didn't even look just yet. And they left this card for us right here, which is super nice. And then right when you walk outside, you have this deck area, which, you know, you can eat your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And of course, we have the Pacific Ocean and this really beautiful turquoise water viewing the other side of the resort. Right over here, we have this really stunning bathtub. Like, you guys, it's so pretty. It's actually made out of stone, I think. And then as you can see, the window is wide open right now. And then right over here, we have two vanities, one here and one behind me. As you can probably see, the most important thing is obviously light. So you can actually, you know, touch this and, you know, it changes and you have a better light. So if makeup is something that you do, or you just want a better light for selfies, whatever that is, then ta-da, in a click of a button, you guys. And then right over here, we have the restroom, and you also have this really cute, you know, overlooking kind of window, and you can see the ocean. And then in the other side, it's our shower right over here, which is, again, looks something beautiful like that. And you have the exact same window over there. And then right here, you have that window in the floor. Now, once you go into our bedroom, you will be seeing those windows, which is super nice. And obviously you have the closet, and you also have some more details from the Polynesian culture. And then obviously we also have this really nice bed over here. And lastly, when you turn around, you have this really gorgeous view for every day when you wake up in the morning. And then again, you can just go out to this deck and you can, you know, get your tan, whatever you want, whatever you wish. You can just sit and relax and do whatever you wish here. And then again, viewing the entire Pacific Ocean. And lastly, we have the lower deck. You have this ladder right over here, so you can go for a swim. And you have this really cute shower outside, which I am obsessed with. So that is the room we're staying in, and this is room number 226 for those of you who wants to know or planning on coming to this resort. And yeah, that is, again, the bathtub from the outside. And right now, I guess we're gonna go and start our day here at the resort, and we're gonna take you guys with us. So we just left the room to go outside and explore the resort, and you guys, oh my god. I mean, seriously, I don't even know what to say. I am speechless. This view though, and to be quite honest, seems like you could just come here to create a whole calendar just from this beauty, and that's just about that. I mean, the water here, the color of the water, the mountain, the volcano, it's everything. Literally, I mean, this alone could be such a beautiful backyard, honestly. I mean, you know, just a thought, just a dream. Yeah, We're gonna go right now and we're gonna keep exploring the resort because it's too beautiful. So we just got to the Coral Gardens here at the Four Seasons, and then as you can see you have all these wildlife lagoon here, which is super cute. So everything is gonna be right here. Now the thing that I liked most, you guys, honestly, when we went to the concierge, they actually brought us this snorkeling equipment, and as you can see it's new. They didn't even ask us what room are we at, so everything is new and sanitized, so that's super cool. So right now we're gonna go and dive and see some wildlife underwater. We just got back to the room and obviously it's coffee o'clock. We already took showers and we are actually going to dinner later on today. Hard to be quite honest, you guys, this hotel just is insane. This resort is just immaculate from everything to everything, like the service, the food. I just don't even know what to say about that. Also, here's a pro tip, you guys, as for sunscreen, because let me just say you will get burned. As for sunscreen, I do recommend you to leave whatever sunscreen that you wanted to bring from home, leave it there because it's gonna do absolutely nothing to you. Their sunscreen here actually looks like a mayo almost. It's super thick in consistency and I literally had to remove it right now in the shower for about I don't know how long, but anyways, it will really protect you from the sun because the sun here is not playing games. So whenever it is that you come to Tahiti, Bora Bora or Moorea or any other island, I would highly recommend you to get your sunscreen here in the hotel because it's also reef safe and you know it's like super important for obvious reasons. And yeah, so make sure you leave whatever it is that you have at home because it will do absolutely nothing to you. So just before we go to dinner, I thought I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing because honestly, this look is just like so effortless and it's so comfortable. I'm literally wearing a $40 outfit, you guys, seriously. And this crop top was actually from ASOS. It was like $12, I think. And I'm also wearing these really cute pants, which are also super comfortable. Those are from Nasty Gal, and it actually has these pockets, so it is really super flowy and just like super comfortable. And obviously I added some gold jewelry just for, you know, to give it some extra vibe and just like more of an expensive look. We're super excited for dinner, so we're gonna see you guys there. You guys just literally have to see this sunset. It's insane. Like, I just cannot breathe right now. It is so stunning. We just got back to the room and we ordered some room service. So obviously a pizza is a must, and we also have some pasta in here. And yeah, today was an absolute blast. We're gonna eat some dinner and maybe we're gonna take a bath later on. I don't really know yet. But for now, I'm gonna close today's vlog and we're gonna see you guys tomorrow. Just got to breakfast, and as you guys can see, the local people here made me this beautiful flower crown. Oh my god, it is so stunning. I've had so many flower crowns made for me in my lifetime, and honestly, by far, I think this one is the most beautiful one. There's no doubts. And we are currently here eating breakfast, so we just start getting everything. The breakfast here is literally everything, you guys, I swear. And we're gonna eat with this beautiful, stunning view. So we were just walking around the hotel, and let me just tell you that by accident we reached this villa right here, and if I'm not mistaken, this is the presidential suite here at the Four Seasons. And this villa is actually rates, I think, at somewhere around 20 to 30k a night. As you guys can see, it is extremely stunning and beautiful. Obviously, they have a private beach viewing the mountain, the volcano. It is so extremely stunning. It's absolutely unreal. They have pretty much everything in here. If I'm not mistaken, they have like a private chef and the infinity pool and all this kind of stuff. You guys, this villa is insane. It's so beautiful. So we decided to go to the spa just to see everything there because it's supposed to be so stunning, and obviously I want to see it and I want to take pictures of it. So we're going there right now. So we just arrived to the spa, you guys, and oh my god, this place is so stunning. Look at it. Right after the spa, we decided to take the Outrigger and just go for a spin around the resort. As you guys can see, it was working really hard, but it's super fun. So we just got to the beach restaurant here at the Four Seasons, and we are here eating lunch. It was super windy, and actually our Outrigger kind of like, you know, got carried away, but it was okay. We managed eventually. And then lunch looks really, really good. And we're actually now trying to extend our trip. So I'm literally holding my finger crossed like that we can do that, because this view, you guys, will never get old. Like, never. Look at that. It is so stunning. And I know I've said that like 1,000 times, but I mean, how could you not? So after lunch, we went to the beach just to chill for a bit. Unfortunately, I fell asleep literally under the sun, which I regretted deeply afterwards. Also, as you guys can see, once we went to the room, we saw this really cute ice cream truck. So this truck is there every single day, I think from 2 to 5, something like that. And you can just eat your favorite ice cream. It is so good. And obviously I chose the vanilla because we're in Tahiti, and Tahiti known for that. So we actually got back to the room earlier today. It was at around 4 p.m. but I actually didn't felt so good because I literally stuffed everything to my mouth during lunchtime, which was not the best decision to say the least. And not only that, but I also actually fell asleep under the sun, which was also not the greatest decision of my life. And so we got back to the room, and I actually kind of felt dizzy and super stuffed, and you know, it was just not the greatest. But anyways, we decided to stay in the room for tonight. You know, your grandma here decided to stay in the room and take a bath, as you can probably see. And you know, just like enjoy my last night here in Bora Bora. Unfortunately, I cannot even believe I'm saying that. So yeah, anyways, for now I'm gonna go take my bath, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Today is our last breakfast here at the Four Seasons. I am going to miss this, you guys, so freaking much. Then we decided to go one more time for the coral gardens just to say goodbye to all the fishes. So we just came to the other side of the lagoon, and you guys, look at how clear the water. It's insane. Like all the reef and corals that you see right now is just under water. That's water right there. Insane. And then we got back to our room just to realize that we actually lost the room key. Now let me tell you guys something about the Four Seasons. They actually have their own app right now, which means that it doesn't matter in which hotel you guys are staying worldwide. You just go to the app and you can just chit chat with them, because obviously, I mean, if you're in another country, you can just call because you're gonna get a very fat phone bill, to say the least. But anyways, they came within seconds to open the room. It was such a great customer service experience. It was absolutely unreal. And then from there, it was time to say goodbye to the Four Seasons. That is, by the way, Pili Aloha. She is the nicest person on the planet. She was our guest relation manager, and everything we needed, she took care of it. And just in general, the Four Seasons was such a good experience. They have literally the best customer service that I have ever experienced in my life, you guys. So that completes my Bora Bora vlog, you guys. I am so sad to leave. I swear, when I was on this boat, I was crying, and I'm still crying. I'm so grateful that I got to have this experience. It's just insane. I still cannot believe that I was even on this island. But anyways, you guys, that is it for right now. I hope you guys really enjoy. Maruru for watching this vlog, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! You guys, as soon as you walk out from the Tahiti airport, there are so many women in here. This one is Andrea, and she has such a lovely booth. You guys have to come and check her out. She is the nicest person on earth, and I love her so much. She's gonna welcome you to Tahiti, so you definitely come and check it out.